Guys, if you like these videos, if you like this new kitchen, please subscribe. It's the only way we can keep doing them. Comment down below what you want to see me make next, or don't. Just leave a funny comment. The craziest one wins. Thank you guys so much. Back to cooking. All right, guys, welcome back. The Super Bowl is approaching. We're in the final home stretch. The thing we have to cover now are dips. I'm sure everybody is bringing a buffalo chicken dip to your party, which is why I'm not gonna cover that. If you wanna find a recipe online, there's plenty. But tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make boy dip. It was a staple of my childhood, and it's delicious. So let's get cooking. I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah. All right, guys, boy dip. I'm sure it has a million other names. It's a cream cheese-based dip, but I grew up calling it boy dip. It's a Kathleen Vorlicke staple. Shout out the Vorlicke family. They always made this at their cabin up north. Very easy to do. All you're gonna need, some spicy sausage, 2 cans of this is crucial, 2 cans of Rotel, diced tomatoes, and chilies. You gotta have the chili in there. 3 blocks of your Philadelphia cream cheese. That's the base of this dip. It's a cream cheese-based dip. Very good. And then a whole bunch of chopped cilantro. Pretty easy. Very, very good. Okay, first thing is first, we gotta take our sausage out of its casing. To do that, just make a little insertion with your knife, peel out the casing, and plop it into a pan that's preheated on the medium heat. Boom. Now, if you don't want it spicy, you can use a mild Italian sausage, a sweet Italian sausage, or you can even use like a pre-cooked Jimmy Dean style sausage if you really want to go super easy. Once it hits the pan, you want to start breaking it up right away, because if you don't do this early enough, it'll stay in its shape. We want that all ground up. All right, now we're just gonna let that cook off until it's cooked through. Sausage is nice and cooked. We'll add a tin of chilies and tomatoes, juice and everything. That's gonna go in. And all of our cream cheese right on top. And that's it, you guys. That's how easy this one is. You can make it in advance, wrap it up, and then just pop it in the oven for 5 minutes to warm up at like 350. Just let that cream cheese melt, stir it in. And as it cools, the cream cheese will settle a little bit more. It'll get a little thicker as you have it out, as you serve it. I'm gonna add just a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of sea salt and a bunch, as in like a whole bunch of fresh cilantro, just minced up. That is all she wrote. Just give that a stir. That's boy dip. That's it. Oop, almost lost him. God, it's amazing how good that is, how few things that go into it and how good it can taste. I can guarantee you this will be the first thing gone at the buffet. People will have this. They'll keep coming back, they'll keep coming back until the chips run out or the dip runs out. This will be gone first. All right, guys, that's gonna do for this episode. Don't go away though, we got one more before the big game. I'll see you guys then. It's a dip, it's gonna finish us off. See you guys later.